Yoshiko, when you're busy, hungry, and trying to eat healthy and not in the mood for meat, what would you make?
Tofu steak is one of my go-to quick and easy meals. It's a lifesaver on my busiest days.
Tofu steak? That sounds healthy, but how does tofu become a steak?
Well, watch this video and you will see. It's crispy outside, satisfying, and super easy to make.
Okay, and to do that, first we wrap the tofu in a dry paper towel. Next, place something really heavy on top to press it down. Until you can hear the tofu saying, "Why me?"
Tofu is tougher than it looks. This is its moment to shine.
Okay, press, then gently squeeze out any extra water. It looks like the tofu's getting a shiatsu massage from you. I wish I could get a massage like that.
I can give one to you later once all the dishes are done.
Aye, the dishes. I'm glad this is a one-pan dinner. Big reward for little work. So now, slice the tofu in half lengthwise and then sprinkle some salt and some freshly ground black pepper to taste on both sides. Wow, I see the tofu already looks more dense than before. So now it's time to give it a nice coating before the frying. Tell us, what are we using?
It's katakuriko, Japanese potato starch, super useful in Japanese cooking for coating, thickening sauces, and many other uses.
Got it. Katakuriko, the unsung hero of crispy coatings. All right, so now add some oil to the pan, and today you're using a mix of vegetable oil and sesame oil, right?
Yes, and olive oil works too if you prefer.
Okay, place the tofu in gently like you're putting a baby down for a nap and cook on medium-high heat. Once the bottom turns a golden brown, about 3 or 4 minutes, flip the tofu over. But ideally, according to Japanese tradition, it should be not just brown, but fox brown.
Yes, in Japan, we call it kitsuneiro, fox color.
Fox color, wow. So it has to look like a fox, not a raccoon. Got it. Okay. Once both sides are that beautiful color, place them on a plate. And now it's time for the toppings. To do that, first we grate a little fresh ginger. Then we drizzle a splash of soy sauce over the tofu and top it with that grated ginger and also the chopped scallion. Adding some green makes this dish look even more appealing.
This is my basic version, but you can mix and match different toppings however you like.
Simple, pretty, and packed with flavor. This tofu steak might even convert meat lovers to tofu lovers in no time at all.
Let's eat while it's still warm.
Itadakimasu.
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!